Did you know grizzly bears can run faster than Usain Bolt? Surprised? Well, hold on to your seats because we have a lot more to share. Welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of grizzly bears, one of nature's most formidable creatures. Over the next few minutes, we'll unveil some fascinating facts about their life, behaviors, and unique role in the ecosystem. Ready to dive in and learn more about grizzly bears? Hold on to your seats because it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine living in the wilderness, ruling the animal kingdom, and weighing up to 800 pounds. Welcome to the life of a grizzly bear. Dwelling in the heart of North America, grizzly bears are fascinating creatures that call the rugged mountainous regions their home. From the dense forests of Alaska and Canada to the breathtaking Yellowstone National Park, these majestic beasts roam freely, adapting to the harsh and changing seasons. They are true survivors, embodying the wild spirit of the great outdoors. Now let's talk about their diet. Grizzly bears are the ultimate omnivores, eating a wide range of food based on what's available. From fish like salmon and trout to berries, roots, and insects, their diverse diet keeps them healthy and strong. An interesting fact is that they can eat up to 90,000 calories a day during peak feeding times. That's like feasting on around 170 Big Macs in a single day. Next, let's delve into their physical attributes. Grizzlies are powerfully built, with a large hump of muscle on their shoulders that aids in their digging. They have long, curved claws that are perfect for catching fish and digging up roots. Their fur is usually dark brown, but it can range from very light cream to black. The grizzly bear's size is truly impressive, with males typically weighing between 400 to 800 pounds, and females weighing between 250 to 450 pounds. To put that into perspective, a male grizzly bear can weigh as much as a grand piano. But don't let their size fool you. Despite their massive weight, grizzlies can run up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than Usain Bolt, the fastest man on Earth. Living as a grizzly bear surely sounds exciting, doesn't it? But there's more to their lives than just hunting and sleeping. Ever wondered why grizzly bears are often seen scratching trees, or why they stand on their hind legs? These are just a couple of the fascinating behaviors that set these majestic creatures apart in the animal kingdom. Grizzly bears, like many other animals, hibernate during the colder months. But did you know that during this long winter sleep, a grizzly bear's heart rate slows down to just 8 beats per minute? Yes, you heard it right, 8 beats per minute. This remarkable adaptation allows them to conserve energy during periods when food is scarce. Now let's talk about tree scratching. This isn't merely a bear's way of getting a good back rub. It's a form of communication within the grizzly community. By scratching trees, grizzlies leave behind their scent, which sends a clear message to other bears about their presence. It's like their version of a status update on social media. Standing on their hind legs is another intriguing behavior. Contrary to popular belief, grizzlies don't stand upright to appear threatening. They do this primarily for better visibility, allowing them to spot potential threats or prey from a distance. So if you ever see a grizzly bear standing tall, it's not necessarily gearing up for a fight. It might just be curious or cautious. Another fascinating behavior involves their fishing skills. Grizzlies are excellent swimmers and often seen catching fish, particularly during the salmon run. They use their sharp claws to snatch the fish out of the water, showcasing their incredible reflexes and precision. Lastly, mother grizzlies are known for their fierce protective instincts. They will defend their cubs with everything they've got, often going up against much larger predators to keep their young ones safe. This maternal behavior is a testament to the strong bond and the nurturing nature of these powerful beasts. These behaviors are not just random actions, they are integral to the survival and communication of grizzly bears. From hibernation to tree scratching, standing upright to fishing, every behavior has a purpose, and understanding these behaviors helps us appreciate these magnificent creatures even more. Grizzly bears are not just another creature in the wilderness, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Let's start by understanding the term ecosystem. It's a community of living organisms, interacting with each other and the non-living environment. Now imagine this intricate web of life with grizzly bears as one of its vital threads. Grizzly bears are known as umbrella species. This means their survival influences and supports the survival of many other species within the same ecosystem. When we secure habitat for grizzly bears, we are in fact conserving the wider range of biodiversity that shares the same habitat. One of the key roles grizzly bears play in the ecosystem is that of seed dispersers. You see, these bears have a diverse diet, which includes a variety of berries and fruits. When they consume these, they ultimately disperse the seeds throughout the forest in their droppings, aiding in the growth of new plants. But their role doesn't stop there. Grizzly bears also contribute to controlling the population of certain species, like elk, moose, and caribou. This predation keeps the herds of these species healthy and in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring a balanced ecosystem. Furthermore, grizzly bears are scavengers, and their scavenging behavior contributes to nutrient cycling. By breaking down carcasses, they return nutrients to the soil, enriching it and promoting plant growth. And let's not forget the impact grizzlies have on the aquatic ecosystem. Their fishing for salmon, for instance, is a spectacle in itself, but more importantly, it's a key ecological process. The remains of the salmon they leave behind provide essential nutrients to the river systems, supporting other aquatic and terrestrial life. Without grizzly bears, the ecosystem could potentially collapse. They are truly the guardians of the wilderness. So, as we continue to explore and appreciate the marvels of the animal kingdom, let us remember the crucial roles these creatures play in our world. Despite their strength and size, grizzly bears face numerous threats that are pushing them towards the brink of extinction. The most immediate of these threats is habitat loss. As human populations grow and expand, we are encroaching more and more on the natural territories of grizzly bears. Forests are being cut down to make way for housing and agriculture, leaving these magnificent creatures with fewer places to roam. In addition, the roads and highways we build fragment their habitats, making it difficult for them to find mates and reproduce. Climate change is another significant threat to grizzly bears. As the planet warms, the ecosystems that these bears rely on are changing. Rising temperatures mean shorter winters and less snowfall, which can affect the availability of food sources for grizzlies. For example, in some areas, warmer temperatures have led to declines in salmon populations, a vital food source for these bears. But perhaps the most dangerous threat to grizzlies comes from us humans. Grizzly bears are often seen as a threat to livestock and are therefore hunted or poisoned. They are also prized by trophy hunters for their size and power. Additionally, grizzlies often fall victim to vehicle collisions as they cross roads in search of food and mates. These threats are pushing grizzly bears towards extinction. Despite their strength and size, these animals are struggling to survive in a world that is rapidly changing. But it's not too late to turn things around. By protecting their habitats, addressing climate change, and reducing human-bear conflicts, we can help ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. Remember, grizzly bears play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They spread seeds through their scat, help control populations of other animals, and even create habitat for other species through their digging. Without them, our world would be a much less diverse and vibrant place. Grizzly bears may be strong, but they are not invincible. They need our help to survive and thrive. As we wrap up our journey into the world of grizzly bears, let's revisit some of the most fascinating facts about these magnificent beasts. Did you know that grizzlies are some of the most adaptable creatures on the planet? They can live in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open meadows, and even high in the mountains. And let's not forget their incredible sense of smell, which is so keen they can sniff out food from miles away. Speaking of food, grizzlies are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. Their diet is incredibly diverse and can include everything from berries and roots to fish and mammals. This dietary flexibility is one of the reasons why they play such a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Now, on to their behavior. These bears are solitary animals, preferring to spend most of their time alone, but they're also highly intelligent, with a remarkable ability to remember locations, especially those associated with food. And when it comes to threats, human activities are the primary concern. Habitat loss, climate change, and conflicts with humans pose serious challenges to grizzly bears. But awareness and understanding can go a long way in ensuring their survival. Who knew grizzly bears were so amazing? Join us next time as we explore more incredible creatures. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.